As anti-racism protests are leading to significant changes around the world, US President Donald Trump seems adamant in maintaining the status quo. And now the Senate has passed a mammoth defense policy bill which includes a plan to rename bases with Confederate names. This comes after a potential threat from Donald Trump to veto any legislation that would allow this change. Donald Trump has been vocal about the fact that he will not even consider renaming the military bases named after Confederate generals. The removal of the Confederate symbols has become a major flashpoint between the Pentagon and Donald Trump. The United States military is one of the most racially diverse institutions of all times, and the call for removal of the racist symbols has amplified since the killing of George Floyd. Earlier, the Pentagon banned the use of the Confederate flag, and now both the House and the Senate passed bills this week to rename the bases. Both the bills were passed with majorities large enough to overcome a veto from Donald Trump. And this allows the Pentagon to devise a plan to remove any mention of Confederacy and its symbols from the US military. These symbols are reminders of a racist past in the US history. The Confederacy is a group of southern states which fought to keep the institution of slavery and seceded, prompting the American Civil War of 1861 to 1865. But this is not the first time that Donald Trump has clashed with his own defense officials since the Black Lives Matter protest started in America. Donald Trump has repeatedly clashed with the Defense Secretary Mark Esper over use of military against peaceful protesters. And not just the military, US House Speaker Nancy Pelosi called for the Confederate monuments in the US Capitol building to be removed as well. NASCAR, a professional racing league, has also banned the flying of Confederate flags at its races and other events. Even with such strong opposition to the Confederate symbols, why is Donald Trump continuing to back them? The Army has 10 military bases named after Confederate generals, including Fort Bragg in North Carolina, Fort Benning in Georgia, and Fort Hood in Texas. They are all located in the southern states, which helped seal Donald Trump's 2016 victory. With the presidential election just 4 months away, Donald Trump is now seeking support in these very states again to retain the presidency.
They need with Medicaid.